In Valladolid, Spain, a serene city faces an unexpected and devastating deluge. Today, Valladolid is paralyzed by unprecedented flash floods. A very strong waterspout, accompanied by hail, hit Valladolid this Friday, the 28th of June, turning streets into rivers and making navigation extremely difficult for both pedestrians and vehicles. The pedestrian underpasses of Arco de Ladrillo and Panaderos also faced significant flooding, causing disruptions throughout the city. Flooded streets were a common sight, as the city's sewers were unable to handle the deluge, leaving scenes like Escueva Street in La Antigua transformed into a pond. By midnight, Valladolid firefighters had conducted 70 sorties to address the incidents, even preventing flooding in homes from overflowing gutters.
Sillón, mira, ahí va un sillón.
The Emot warning had already indicated the possibility of heavy rain. Valladolid was under a yellow warning, with an orange warning in Avila, Salamanca and Zamora. Authorities recommend staying away from high ground, trees and water bodies during storms. With more severe weather expected, residents are advised to stay away from riverbanks and ravines, avoid parking near watercourses, and not to cross flooded fords. Residents are organising shelters and distributing food and water. International organisations are ready to provide assistance as Valladolid faces the aftermath of this extreme weather event. Stay informed, support relief efforts, and spread awareness. Subscribe, like and comment to stay updated on stories that matter and to support those in need.